Today I'm going to make a herbal tea towel. A piece of fabric is cut from an old bed sheet. A composition with a good pattern is designed. I used herbs. A mugwort leaf directly put into the printer and printed out. This way, we will obtain its image. Carefully trim it. This reminds me of fractal geometry. The perimeter of a snowflake can actually exceed the diameter of the Earth. Yes, it depends on how detailed you want it to be. Then, the wool felt is cut and secured onto the tea towel fabric using a needle. This is just for fixation, so it doesn't need to be too densely stitched. Embroider the direction of the leaf veins with a deep green thread. Use a free motion stitching technique, stitching from the front. Take one step forward with each stitch, then take one step back to the starting point before stitching forward again. Embroider a different colored plant leaf next to it. For example, the fennel leaf that I will be using. Straight stitches and back stitches are perfect for embroidering these intricate leaf veins. And they also save on the length of the embroidery thread. Free motion stitching, stitching from the front. Take one step forward with each stitch, then take one step back to the starting point before stitching forward again. Take another stitch forward, then stitch back one stitch to the starting point. Embroider the thread wherever you want it to go. Now both leaves are embroidered nicely. Next, create a backing for this embroidered piece. The backing fabric should be larger than the embroidered piece, with approximately 1 inch of extra width on all sides. After sewing, the backing fabric will form a border around the embroidered piece. You can directly stitch a circle of green thread without a border. I chose to use this special decorative stitch on the sewing machine to embroider the border. And there you have it. The herbal tea towel with a mugwort pattern is complete. Enjoy a cup of fresh tea and a Qingming during the Qingming festival. Indulge your senses and enjoy it at a leisurely pace.
We upgrade regularly, so please remember to subscribe.